Local MLA Vailadniki Shilla today launched the Saans, the Social Awareness and Action for Neutralize Pneumonia Successfully campaign in Jowai. Saans is a campaign launched to ensure early detection and create awareness of pneumonia, targeting the age group of 0 to 5 years. Speaking on the occasion, Shilla expressed his sincere gratitude towards the doctors and the health departments for their remarkable efforts to organize the program. He said that this kind of program is very important for the mothers to be aware of the various symptoms of diseases that their child may contract right from the start of birth, as in most cases it is seen that the children suffer from malnutrition or vitamin deficiency due to their mothers being unaware of the necessity of a proper meal or diet for their child. And now here is the weather report. The max